Hey besties! Today we're doing a quick Korean style running late but still cute makeup look. It's glowy, fresh, and only takes a few minutes, perfect for when you've got zero time but still wanna slay. Without further ado, let's get started. Start by drenching the face in a hydrating mist, then gently wipe it off. This is a lazy hack that replaces washing with tap water. Then add 3 drops of serum and press evenly into the skin. For the eyes, opt for natural circle lenses in a soft black. They enlarge the eyes in a naturally bright way, avoiding that overly harsh look. Next up, try out a purple primer. Apply it evenly across the face. Then blend it in with gentle dragging and patting motions. Always stick with MAC foundation. The key is to apply it in sections. Grab a damp sponge and really press that product into your skin, especially around the nose. Make sure it gets into those pores. Since this formula dries pretty quickly, working in small sections is super important. Lock in the base with translucent powder on the inner areas, then use a setting spray to merge everything for a smooth, non-powdery finish. Puff out the cheeks as you spray to avoid any unwanted creasing. For the eyeshadow, swipe one shade all over the lids and under the eyes using a large brush. Then, blend with a flat, slightly wider detail brush. A wider brush can be used to mix a couple of colors that deepen the lash line and soften the edges. Even the lower lash line gets an extra touch of definition. Outline the natural egg yolk for an enhanced under-eye look. Then draw a precise eyeliner with a flat detail brush. Complete the eye makeup with 3 tiny clusters of falsies to add a lifted, subtle drama. For the brows, fill in and shape with a light dusting of brow powder, creating soft, straight lines. Contour the nose bridge and, for a camera-ready effect, add extra shading along the side profile for a sculpted finish. Apply a matching blush with a small brush on the cheeks, nose tip, and chin. Add a delicate beauty mark and finish with a few taps of cream highlighter to reveal a dewy, glass skin glow. Wrap up the look with a glossy lip tint whose edges are softly blurred for a natural, effortless pout. And that's it. Complete, cute, and camera-ready, Korean-style makeup look.